What's going on, guys? I hope everyone is having a great day so far. And today I'm going to be bringing you a vlog and also a GoPro unboxing as well. So let's go. Alright guys, so it is currently 12:44 as you can see. And we are about to head over to my cousin's house. My boy Mike Khan in the cut. You already know. Yo! Sir! Dale esto también.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, man.
God bless you, man.
God bless you, man.
You better be a Marine, bro.
I hope so, bro.
We just got hustled. With 25 off, that means you probably get for like... This man might throw his math, bro.
Alright, bro. Show us your math, bro.
I think like 30 bucks.
How much is it?
Right.
What is it right now?
35, bro.
35, right? And 25%?
You know what I mean, bro.
Alright, but what is it, bro? How much you think?
You say it costs 45?
No, it costs 35.
How much are these?
Taco Bell.
What?
If it's 35, it's 25% off. Around how much does it cost, bro?
20 bucks.
20 bucks?
20 bucks, yeah, I'll say 20 bucks.
Alright, ready? We're gonna figure it out.
So we gotta take
35 times 25.
That's how much it gets off. That's how much
Yeah.
it takes off.
So 35
plus tax, bro.
minus,
But
what was
you
it,
make
8?
math
No,
on
it's
27.
35.
875
26, that's close.
Plus tax.
plus tax.
Back
like
up to
30
30
bucks.
bucks. Yeah, see, I was right, 30 bucks.
This is 40. No,
Didn't one of y'all say 20, bro?
I said 20.
Alright, bro. So what are you gonna get him, Taco?
For sure.
Alright, but what shirt?
Look, I got him in shit like this color, bro. So he better wear it.
fit color shirts?
But you want him in like Barney.
Hey, does he fit color shirts?
Yeah, I got him color. Yeah, extra large.
Okay. I'm gonna get him this yellow one right here.
This is a nice color, bro. Wait, look at this one, bro. This is a nice color, too.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get him this color. You said XL? Yeah. Alright, I got one shirt.
They have a large.
That's nice.
It doesn't have the rough one over Barney. It just... No, very cool.
It doesn't have this color, right?
Yeah.
Bro, I could never wear this.
I actually feel like buying one.
You want to buy one of these?
Yeah. Watch out.
Can you see it, bro?
Yeah, bro. Watch out, cuz. I'm already getting the beach mood, man.
How much was it?
Instantly put it back. 100 bucks.
100 bucks for a shirt.
For a shirt. I put it back.
You guys pay 100 bucks for one shirt?
Oh my
Why
god.
don't you get the camel one? Why don't you get the camel one? How much is it? Huh? I mean, it's gonna be like 60 bucks. Dude, I'm not getting that camel one. If you're not gonna get it, I think I might get it.
100 bucks for one shirt, bro.
That's a thought, my god. I'm super fly right now.
You gonna get the camel one?
Because Macy's is Macy's.
You gotta take it down. No, I gotta take this. Nah.
He's scratching his stomach, bro.
This man over here.
Okay, so
This mall does not have nothing.
nothing, bro.
Nothing.
We didn't find what we wanted, so now we're heading to another mall that's in another city.
Don't be so close, man.
Right, bro?
There's a thing right here.
Another mall in another city, bro.
Another city?
In another city.
Another city.
Ah.
So what city we going to next?
Feet, bro. You got shoes in here?
Taco, you gotta clean up the car, man.
You gonna clean it for me?
Taco,
How much?
Taco, you gotta grow, bro. You gotta be on a height level.
No worry, dude. I feel short.
All right.
I feel short.
See you in the next mall. I love Best Buy, man. Best Buy is like that. This is what we came for today.
You said the Hero 5 Black?
Yeah, this one right here. Alright, bro. Just bought it. The harness and the GoPro. And now we headed to the
You
mall
better be like he was saying.
because we still need to get this shirts or whatever he wants to get for my stepdad. So that's where we're headed now. Oh, bro, look at this. What you think, bro? What you think?
I want it to be colorful.
No, I do YouTube.
Oh, you do YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah.
I'm old, man.
That shirt, the one with the pineapples. Something like that, up top.
Out there, bro.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. What you think?
Nah, man. Like, I want something like this, but like more colors. Man.
I don't know if it's
100.
How it look though, bro?
I think, bro, if you like, when we're at the beach and you take away a couple buttons, bro, you be good, bro.
Oh no, no.
That sounds really sound. I like this one, bro. I like to keep it in mind. Hey, bro, look.
that looks nice.
Right?
That's really nice.
Where the other prima at, bro?
Thank you.
Ah, 100, that's tigre, right?
It look good, right?
Yeah, that one looks good.
Man, bro, I think you. Bro, I feel like we're just going around in circles.
How much does it say? Oh, where does it say 50%?
No, but that was in Macy's.
Damn, bro, you touching my butt, cuz. I just felt my little butt too.
You nasty, bro. I ain't even touch you, man. I'm getting away from you, bro. Taco, bro, show him what you got, bro.
Bruh.
Look at that shit. Look at that shit.
Yo,
Nah, flip your head. Look at that shit.
That polo.
Bruh.
God.
Wait, just
Come on, bro, bro.
laugh, bro.
Alright, bro, that's nice, bro. That's nice. Okay. I'm seeing. And, bro, we walked all over the mall for this, bro. And I feel like, actually, we went across 2 different malls. And this is what he got. After, like, what? Like,
Stop hating, dude.
it's been like 3 or 4 hours, bro.
Wait, why you hating so much?
I'm not hanging, bro. I was just saying, it took this man 3 hours to find one single shirt, man. I want to see this one, bro. I've always liked these trucks, but I've never actually been in one. Whoa. Man, bro, this is nice. I can see myself in one of these. Look at this.
There ain't no diesel. A big man like you need a diesel.
Oh, bro, look at the Raptor, yo. Yo, no, Ford Raptor. Yo, this one is too nice, bro. These are too nice. Open it, bro. Open it, open it. Oh my goodness.
Tell me what you're looking at you find fascinating. I'll tell you right now.
6.2, bro. Let me see this. $140 miles. But it has 81,000 miles. This is still super nice, though. Like, super nice. Whoa. Obviously, we're not looking for a truck right now, but I could definitely see myself in one of these. Alright, guys, so finally back home after what seems like the longest day ever. And I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to do the GoPro unboxing. So, there we go. Now there's a little thing, you can just pull it out. Okay, whoa. Throw that over there. This is neat, look at this. What? This is the remote that I was talking about. I don't know how this works exactly, but I'm sure I figure it out later. Here we go, just so you guys can see. And then we have the actual GoPro. So, now just go. Oh, jump. I was not expecting that, but that's, how do you open this? Instructions. Whoa. And we'll look at that later. GoPro stickers, I'll stick that on my laptop. More instructions, we'll look at that later. Safety instructions, we'll look at that later. This is the first thing you see, okay? So, this is I'm assuming this is for the, and it goes just like this. So this will fit on my wrist just like this. Man, I'm just dropping everything. All right. This is the charge. Oh, this is the battery. So there's a little tab. I don't even want to touch it. Like honestly, like that's how. I'm just gonna set this down right here. Oh, here we go. Here's like another thing for the watch, so I can just stick it in there. I'm not sure how exactly, but I'll figure it out later. That's neat, and it'll just go on like my shirt or something, like for example, like that. There we go. These go on like helmets and stuff, so I could probably attach this to like my paintball helmet, and it'll attach, and you just stick it on. And it looks like that's it. So there you go. That's the unboxing of the GoPro. And now we're gonna do the unboxing of the chest harness. There's the chest harness. Oh, and it comes with the little strap as well. That's neat. Yeah. I'm assuming it goes like this. There we go. And then, okay, this probably could have been easier if I just, oh, there we go. Boom, sets in just like that. Put this back. This is an extra attachment, so for example, when I put it on my helmet, I can just stick this on here, just like this. Just slides in just like this. You just push it in, and it clicks in, and you put the little rubber down. There you go. And there you go, it'll be on my helmet just like that. And to take it out, you just pull this up, compress these together, and it pops right out. There you go. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna be bringing more content, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.